In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your QuickBooks Desktop software. Before you make any changes, the most important thing to do is back up your company file. This gives you a safe copy of your data before the upgrade, so if anything unexpected happens, you'll still have a version you can return to. In QuickBooks Desktop, go to the File menu at the top left of the screen. From there, select Backup Company, and then create either a local backup or an online backup, depending on how you normally store your files. Take a moment to make sure the backup completes successfully before moving on. This step is essential because it protects your accounting records and helps make the upgrade process much smoother. Once your backup is done, open your web browser and search for QuickBooks Desktop Download. You'll want to find the version you plan to upgrade to or the version you already have a license for. Be careful to download the correct edition and year for your needs, and make sure you're using a trusted source so you avoid installing the wrong file. If you manage multiple company files or multiple users, it can also help to confirm that everyone is out of QuickBooks before you begin the installation. Next, go ahead and install the new version of QuickBooks Desktop. During the installation, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes, so give it time to complete fully. It's a good idea not to interrupt the process once it starts. When the installation is finished, open the newly installed version of QuickBooks Desktop. After that, go back to the File menu at the top left and choose Open or Restore Company. From there, select your backed up company file so you can bring your data into the upgraded version. QuickBooks may prompt you to update the company file format so it works with the newer version. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and allow the process to finish. Once the file opens successfully, take a quick look around to make sure everything appears normal and your company data is loading as expected. That's all it takes to upgrade your QuickBooks Desktop software. If you follow each step carefully, especially the backup step at the beginning, the process should be straightforward and much less stressful.